Welcome, aspiring speakers and champions of communication. Today, we embark on a journey to unlock the secrets of accelerated thinking under stress, a skill that can transform your public speaking prowess and elevate your performance to new heights. Join me as we explore practical strategies and powerful techniques to unleash your mind's full potential and think 10x faster under pressure. Public speaking is not for the faint of heart. It requires confidence, clarity, and the ability to think on your feet, even under the most intense pressure. But fear not. With the right mindset and techniques, you can train your brain to operate at lightning speed, delivering your message with precision and impact, no matter the circumstances. 1. Understand the science of stress. The first step to thinking faster under stress is understanding how stress affects the brain. When faced with a stressful situation, the body releases hormones like adrenaline and cortisol, triggering the fight-or-flight response. While this response is essential for survival, it can also impair cognitive function and decision-making if not managed effectively. 2. Embrace the power of mindfulness. Mindfulness is a powerful tool for managing stress and enhancing cognitive function. By practicing mindfulness techniques like deep breathing, meditation, and body awareness, you can calm your nervous system, reduce stress levels, and sharpen your focus, essential ingredients for accelerated thinking under pressure. 3. Develop mental resilience. Mental resilience is the ability to bounce back from setbacks and adapt to challenging situations. By cultivating a resilient mindset through positive self-talk, visualization, and goal setting, you can train your brain to stay calm and composed under pressure, enabling you to think faster and more effectively in high-stakes scenarios. 4. Practice strategic breathing. Strategic breathing is a simple yet powerful technique for managing stress and enhancing cognitive performance. By practicing rhythmic breathing patterns, such as the 4-7-8 technique or box breathing, you can regulate your heart rate, calm your mind, and improve mental clarity, allowing you to think faster and make better decisions under pressure. 5. Use visualization techniques. Visualization is a technique used by athletes, performers, and public speakers to mentally rehearse their performances and enhance their skills. By vividly imagining yourself delivering a successful speech or navigating a challenging situation with confidence and poise, you can prime your brain for success and think faster under pressure. 6. Harness the power of positive affirmations. Positive affirmations are short, powerful statements that you can use to reprogram your subconscious mind and boost your confidence and self-belief. By repeating affirmations like, "I am calm, focused, and in control," or "I thrive under pressure," you can override negative thought patterns and unlock your mind's full potential for accelerated thinking. 7. Break down complex tasks. When faced with a complex task or overwhelming situation, break it down into smaller, more manageable steps. This not only makes the task feel less daunting, but also allows you to approach it with greater clarity and focus, enabling you to think faster and make progress more efficiently. 8. Stay present in the moment. In high-stress situations, it's easy to get caught up in worries about the future or regrets about the past. But to think 10x faster under stress, it's essential to stay present in the moment. Practice mindfulness techniques like grounding exercises or focusing on your senses to anchor yourself in the present and optimize your cognitive performance. 9. Adopt a growth mindset. A growth mindset is the belief that your abilities and intelligence can be developed through dedication and effort. By adopting a growth mindset and embracing challenges as opportunities for growth and learning, you can overcome self-limiting beliefs and unlock your full potential for accelerated thinking under stress. 10. Seek feedback and learn from mistakes. Finally, seek feedback from peers, mentors, or coaches, and use it as an opportunity for growth and improvement. Learn from your mistakes, celebrate your successes, and continuously refine your public speaking skills to think faster, speak more confidently, and make a lasting impact on your audience. And there you have it, our comprehensive guide to thinking 10x faster under stress. By understanding the science of stress, embracing mindfulness techniques, and cultivating mental resilience, you can train your brain to operate at peak performance, even in the most challenging of circumstances. So, the next time you find yourself facing a high-pressure situation, remember these powerful techniques and trust in your ability to think fast, speak confidently, and achieve your goals with grace and poise. If you found these tips helpful and want to learn more about mastering the art of public speaking and communication, don't forget to subscribe to our channel below. By subscribing, you'll stay updated on all our latest videos on public speaking tips, presentation skills, and personal development. Join our community of aspiring speakers and communication champions as we strive for excellence together. Hit that subscribe button now and take the first step towards unlocking your full potential on stage and in life.